Want to keep an eye on this one? Want to keep an eye on it? Oh. Like that. That was better. Alrighty, 60 degree. Let's see. Oh, settle down. Damn it. Bladed it. Oh, just not hard enough, Pete. Not bad, eh? Up on the right side there. Round 2. Fight! Strixon. You got this one then. Nice. Little worm burner. She'll run up there. Yep. Oh well. Oh, settle down. Oh my goodness. I duffed it. Duffed it good. Get in! Well, I ain't saving par. No saving it. It was lost. No saving par, it's lost. Nice, Pete. Hole 13. I can see this hole not going well. Not well at all. Just gotta wait for them to finish up there. And then we can start hitting. Whoops. Let's try that again. I hit it right where I aimed.
Where was that, in the bush?
Yep. I turned my foot. Instead of hitting a fade, I hit a straight. It's gone too, like gone. Maybe on hole 14. Then you're on the other fairway. Yep. Yeah, by the other tee box. Ay, 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 what was that? I'm way back there. Oh, I followed you. 4-8! Let's try this again. Ooh, bladed it. Right into the water. Oh well. Hey? No, that's a ball I'm hitting. It's a noodle neon. There we go, see? Oh, come on. I hit the ground first. Double. Exactly what I said. Nice. Almost didn't go in. So everybody's wanted to do that, right? Happy Gilmore it. Close! At least I got it on film. Or got it on video anyway. Yep, you're like me. Short. Oops. Hit it a little hard. Whoopsies. Oh well. Same thing I did, Pete. Hit it too hard. That would have been for par. Oh, pushed it. Right? Pushed it, but good too. Oh, well, at least I got it on video. Oh, I'm going for double. Terrible. And so are you. Good song. Oh, come on. I forgot how really bad this hole is. It sucks. Let's try a 5-wood. What a bad bounce. Oh my God. All the way up to the green and then bounce left. Yep. Coming around, coming around. And you're up there. Not bad though. Nice shot. I can't believe that I friggin' bladed it yet again. Horrible, Pete. Horrible. Your bird? Yeah, sure. Oh wow, look at the break. I wasn't expecting that much break. Nice. Oh well, double. Well, take it. And I got it on video.
Nice and long and soft.
That's me, long and soft. Nice shot, Pete. Followed me, buddy. Yep. You pretty much followed me to the letter. Wow, it's my first going for bird in a while. Holy crap. Well, it's on video. Now see if I can actually putt it on for birdie on video. Doe. Oh well, par it is. Downhill, I didn't want to hit it too hard and have it go by. It's okay, I still stay plus 10. Would have been nice to be plus 9, but that's okay. For birdie. Oh! Just a little bit. Nice try, though. Par. There we go. Got it on video, too. Oh, pushed it right. I think I'll do that again. There's a Nike anyway. That's what I get for not hitting the Kirkland. Let's try hitting the Kirkland then. Very nice. A little bit. Wasn't terrible. Coming around. At least I got that on video. Yeah, you almost hit it as far, right? Excuse me. Not bad. Damn it. I hit that one fat. I thought so. I thought you were on the green. Thanks, Pete. Well, I'm going for par at least. Yeah, all the rough stuff. Par. Thanks, Pete. Ugh. For par, Pete. Oh! Right? Oh, well. $150 to the green. Nice. Nice shot, Pete. Really nice shot. You're on, bud. Nah, you're stopped now. That was a really, really nice shot.
That could be on the fucking LPGA.
Oh, come on. You're better than that. What was that? That's what I get for hitting a TaylorMade. Or a Titleist. See? Now watch. Kirkland. Trees. That's okay. I pulled it. First one all day. Settle down. Settle down. God damn it. Didn't open the face enough. Poopies. Yeah, go for it. For bird. Nice try. Oh, fuck you. That's a shitty shot. That would have been embarrassing.
How dare you!